Hi everybody, I hope everyone is fit and fine. I started this channel to help the persons who are writing the NET exams, and I hope the channel will be helpful to you all. Before entering into our topic, I like to give a short introductions about literature. At first, the English literature means chronological accounts of books. English literature speaks about the history of personalities of men. English literature changes from generation to generations. At first, it speaks about the Spenser's The Faerie Queene. It's a most masterpiece. And then it changes to Pope, the Essay on Man. At last, the Scots, the Lady of the Lake. Moreover, the English literature, first the famous romantic man Scott, he had his education in romantic school and he also was supreme master in it. After that, in English literature, there it plays a great central role and it changed, and period after period everything is changed. After that, it becomes secondary, and after it becomes a subordinate. Okay. After that, the Elizabethan, while crossing Elizabethan era, it's made an immense enthusiasm, and it plays a great role in Greek, Latin, Classic, and after that, it all surrounds and it is called as Renaissance. Then the Middle Age inspired by medieval revival, and it culminated in Coleridge and Scott, and they were influenced. These influences affect the literature, not the literary. At first, we want to know the difference between the literature and the literary. At first, the literature means it speaks about a particular subject or study. Moreover, the literary is a piece of writing as a poem or a novel. It shows a great change in Reformation, Puritanism and French Revolution. It has an intimate connection in the history of literature and in the general history. At last, I like to say there is the ordinary English history speaks about nation's biography, and our literature speaks about autobiography. I hope this little introduction is helpful for you to know about what's the English literature, and in further videos we see in detail about the authors and the minor poets and major poets. I hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you.